Morning student. Today we are taking some miscellaneous problems of the linear inequality. So in previous video you have to already see or learn what is the meaning of the inequality and how to find a graphical solution of the linear inequalities in two variables. Now we some take more or important or horse type problem in which we can use the graph. With the help of graph we have to find the solution of the linear inequality. So let's see. Solve -8 less than equal to 5x minus 3 less than 7. So here you see in this there are double inequalities. Here we have double inequality. Here one side less than equal to, here less than. So we can say there may be two separate you can solve or simultaneously you can also solve. First may be -8 is less than equal to 5x minus 3. This is the first inequality. And second is 5x minus 3 less than 7. So here we have double inequalities are given and we have to solve. So whenever you are solving the double inequality, you always keep the variable in between the given sign. Clear? So in solution, here we are given -8 less than equal to 5x minus 3 less than 7. So solving simultaneously both inequalities. If we are solving both the inequalities simultaneously, then say that is -8 less than equal to 5x minus 3 less. Now our object in between the unequal sign, we have to take only or remove all the constant or coefficient of x. We have to convert into x. So first of all we have to remove the -3. This is clear. So to remove this -3 we are adding 3 throughout the double inequality we add -3. So -8 plus 3 less than equal to 5x minus 3 plus 3 7 plus 3. So whenever you are solving the double inequality, whatever you are adding or subtracting, that should be throughout the inequalities. It is three sides, all three sides you have to add or subtract or multiply or divide. So -8 plus 3 that is -5. -3 plus 3 cancel. 7 plus 8 10. Now here we have to remove the coefficient of this which is given as 5. So we divide 5 throughout. Throughout inequality we divide by 5. So -5 upon 5 less than equal to 5x upon 5 less than 5. So that is finally what we get, 1 less than x less than 2. So this is the solution. X is greater than equal to -1 and less than 2. So we can say required solution of given inequalities. So write down this one. After this you see example 17 that says solve -5 less than equal to 5 minus 3x by 2 less than equal to 8. Clear? So here also we have double inequality. Right here double sign of unequal here also we have double sign of less than equal to, and this is also same process will be there, but in between we have a fractional. So to remove this 2 we have to multiply throughout by 2. This value we have to convert into x. So first of all we have to remove the 2. So throughout multiply by 2. So you can write throughout multiply by 2. So this inequality we have to multiply by 2. So what we get? Minus 5 into 2 less than equal to 2 into 5 minus 3x by 2 less than 8 into 2. So when we are multiplying throughout by 2, the denominator of the between term will be removed. So minus 5 into 2, that is minus 10, less than this 2 and 2 will divide. 5 minus 3x less than 16. Now this is similar to this one. Same process you have to follow. So here we first remove the value of 5. That's why we have to subtract. So subtract 5 throughout. So that is minus 10 minus 5, 5 minus 5 minus 3x, 16 minus 5. So we see minus 10 minus 5 minus 15. This 5 and minus 5 cancel. So minus 3x, 16 minus 5, that is 11. So now we have to remove the coefficient of x, that is minus 3. So when we divide the inequality by negative number, we have already said the sign of inequality will change. Whenever you are multiplying by a negative number or divide by negative number, the sign of inequality will change. Less than convert into greater than, and greater than convert into less than. So we divide throughout by minus 3. So minus 15 divided by minus, now less than equal to convert into greater than equal to minus 3x divided by minus 3. This again less than equal to convert into greater than equal to. So 1 written 15 by 3, that is 5. X minus 11 by 3 is the required solution. Or this can be also written in reverse order. You may write first negative number can be written as minus 11 by 3 x less than equal to 5. Here say x is greater than equal to minus 11 by 3. So we have written here also same thing. X greater than equal to minus 11 by 3. X less than equal to 5. X, if you are reading from this side, x less than equal to 5. So here also x less than. So in standard form generally we write the negative number first. That's why we are writing here x greater than equal to minus 11 by 3 and less than equal to 5 is the required solution of the inequalities. So write down this. So this example 18 says solve the system of inequality. System of inequality means we are given more than one inequality. First is given as 3x minus 7 less than 5 plus x, and second 11 minus 5x less than equal to 1 and represent the solution of the on the number line. On the number line. So in solution you write here given inequalities are. So you can solve both separately because they are given separately. So consider first one 3x minus 7 less than 5 plus x. So now you can x transfer to this side, 3x minus x minus 7 transfer to this side, so plus 7. So 3x 12. So divide both sides by 2. So this is the 12. And second, we consider 11 minus 5 less than equal to 1. Now you may transfer 5x on this side, 1 on this side. So 11 minus 1 less than equal to 5x. 10 less than equal to 5x. Now divide by 5. So 2. So we get x is greater than equal to 2. Clear? This is the second, and first is x is less than 6. Now combining both. If we are combining both solutions. So what we have? Here says x is greater than equal to 2 and says x is less than 6. On the number line we represent. So you know that number line here 0 minus 1 minus 2 goes to infinity, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and goes to infinity. So this is the number line. Now we have to represent on the number line. So x is greater than equal to 2. So on the number line, suppose this point 1, this is 2. Now here equal to sign is also there. X is greater than equal to 2. So also include 2. It means we make the dark circle on the point 2 and greater than 2. So all point greater than 2. But again say x should be less than 6. But not equal to 6. Only less than sign. There is no equal to. So here we mark empty circle like this. At the point 6. So the solution is this. So this line will represent the shaded line or shaded area, represent the solution of the given system of the inequality. Yes? So you may write here the solution of the system of real number x lie between 2 and 6. Here 2 is including but 6 is not including. Clear? The solution will be all real number lies between 2 and 6. 2 is including but 6 is not. That's why this circle is dark and this is empty. So this is known as solution represent on the number line. So write down this. So this problem is related to the application of the inequality in the field of chemistry. How we can use in chemistry, as you know that in an experiment a solution of hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, is to be kept between 30 degree and 35 degree. This is the range of the solution at which temperature which it can be kept in the laboratory. So we are given the temperature in degrees Celsius. C is given. Then say what is the range of the temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So you have to convert into degree Fahrenheit. If conversion formula is already given, we are given the formula, that is C equal to 5 by 9 into F minus 32, where C and F are the temperatures in degree and Fahrenheit. So here solution, right? We are given formula C equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32, and we are given the range, also temperature of the hydrochloric acid, that should be between 30 and 35. Between means greater than 30 and less than 35. So C is greater than 30 and less than 35. This is given. We are given the range of the temperature in degree Celsius. 30 degree greater and less than 35 degree. Now we use the formula here. So this C can be replaced by this. So to convert degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit, we replace C as this way. Formula is already given, directly we can put the value. So that is 30 less than C. C means 5 by 9 into F minus 32 less than 35. So now this is the inequality. Here variable is F, like X. This is the double inequality you have to solve. Variable is F, that is degree Fahrenheit. So this is same as F, supposing as X. Now how to solve double inequality? First of all, we remove the denominator. So throughout multiply by 9. So you can add 30 into 9, 5 into F minus 32. Then here also you multiply by 9, 35 into 9. So multiply and simplify. 270, 9 cancel with 9. So this F will be 5 F minus 30. This is 35 into 9. Now we have to remove this 5. So throughout divide by 5. So we divide by 5. Then 270 by 5. 5 by 5 and 35 into 9 by 5. So what we get? 5 divides 270, 54. 5 divided by 1, so F minus 32. 35 divided by 7 into 9. Now we have to remove this minus 32 because we need only F. So add throughout 32. So 54 plus 32 minus 32 plus 32, and this is 63. So this is 86, minus plus cancel out. So 63 plus 32, that is 95. So this is the range of the temperature of the hydrochloric acid in degree Fahrenheit. 86. So you can say the required range of temperature is between 86 degree Fahrenheit and 95 degree Fahrenheit. So we can convert degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. As you already know, there are two units of the temperature generally we are using. So if someone knows the range of the hydrochloric acid in degree Celsius, then how to convert into degree Fahrenheit, that we have to see with the help of inequality. So by using inequality you can find the temperatures. So this word problem is also related to chemistry. You have seen in 11th or 12th class different type of performing the practical. We need the solution. So preparation of solution is very important. So we can use the mathematics, especially inequality. Like suppose a manufacturer has 600 liter of a 12% solution of acid. There is a quantity total of the solution is 600. But out of 600 there is a acid only 12%. This solute is 12%, remaining is the solvent. In solution you know that there are two type of components. One is a solute which is to be dissolved and other is a solvent which is to be inside that solute is dissolved. Clear? So what says a manufacturer has 600 liter of 12% solution of acid. Now again says how many liters of a 30% acid solution. Now we have other type of a acid solution in which acid is 30%. In original solution acid is 12%, but when we are mixing the other solution in which acid is 30%. So how many liters we must add? So the resultant acid content, the quantity of the acid in the resulting mixture will be more than 15%. This is already 12%. So it we have to convert into 15%, but less than 18%. So dear student, this is very important problem. Generally we ask this type of problem. So we are adding the which type of solution? 30%. So how many liter? We suppose x liter. So let x liter of a 30% acid solution must be added to the given solution. Given solution, or you may write 600 liter of 12% solution of acid. Clear? Then total mixture. Because there is already 600 liter given, and we are adding what with x liter. So total mixture now is 600 plus x. This is the resulting mixture. 600 of 12% and x of 30%. Now condition says by the given condition. So we are checking x liter of 30%. So acid content will be 30% of x. When we are adding the solution of 30% acid, then content of the acid in this will be 30% of the x. So we write 30% of x. Now this acid content we are adding to what? 12% of 600. So what we have? 12% of 600. That should be less than this resulting mixture will be more than 15%. So this is greater than, this should be greater than what? 15% of the mixture. This is the mixture. 15% of 600 plus x. This is the first condition. And second what say? And second, this again mixture and 30% of x plus 600 should be less than, but less than 18%. This is less than 18. Now there are two inequalities you can easily solve. So this is the first, you can write 30% of x plus 12% of 600 greater than 5% of. So throughout 100 can be cancelled. And second problem we write here 30% of x plus 12% of 600 and 18% of 600 plus x. So throughout 100 can be cancelled out in those inequalities. So this is 30x 6 to 72. Now 15 into 6, that is 90 plus x. Similarly here 30x 70 to 100 8400 plus 18x. This is 15x. Now you can easily solve 30x minus 15, that is 15x. 9000 minus 7, that is 1800. Similarly here 13x minus this, that is 12x. Then 84 minus 7000, this is 421, 1200. So now divide this x by 50 throughout. And here also this we have to divide by 12. This is 18 into 6, that is 108. And 12x 3600. This is 3600. So 3600 divided by 12, and this is 18. So x 1 to 0. And here x less than 300. So the required range will be, therefore x is greater than 120 and less than 300. So one may be right at last. Thus the number of liters of you can write thus the number of liters of 30% acid solution must be more than 120 liter but less than 300. So in this way we can solve the problem. So dear student, these word problems are very important. These are also, we can say, inequalities can be used in the other field of the science. So thanks for watching. To be continued for the next video.